Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Now, let's answer questions from one of our followers, pero ito ay karugtong lang. Nasagutan na natin yung una at pangalawang mga questions na nandito at ito ay random post sa isa sa FB groups na lagi nating tinatambayan. Some tables are sticks, all sticks are houses, all houses are buildings. Conclusion tayo. So, mas maganda itong masagutan natin ito ng maayos using Venn diagram. Some tables are sticks. So, meron tayong mga tables. Lagay natin sa circle. Kapag sinabing some, ganyan yung some. And by the way, kapag all, ganyan yung all. So, sum man ito, therefore, ganyan lang yung sum at ito ay sticks. Ayusin natin yung word na sticks. All sticks are houses. So, therefore, lahat ng stick na ito ay houses. Again, kung sasabihin natin, di ba yung previous, yung number 1 na problem dito, kapag sabihin nating sum, hindi natin pwedeng ganito lang na hindi natin ma-include yung table. So, therefore, kapag sum stick, ganyan siya. So, otherwise, kapag sinabing all stick, hindi man pwedeng all stick na hindi include natin yung sum table dyan. So, hindi na siya all sticks. So, pareho lang din kapag all or sum, ibig sabihin, makover talaga natin kung ano yung kinakover din ni sticks. So, ito yung houses. All houses are buildings. So, lahat naman ng mga houses ay buildings. Conclusion number 1. All houses are sticks. Lahat daw ng houses ay stick. Baliktad, hindi yan siya pwede. Ang sinabi lang, lahat ng sticks ay houses. Therefore, hindi lahat ng houses ay sticks. So, out na natin yung conclusion number 1. Conclusion number 2. Some buildings are sticks. Asa na yung some building natin? Ito yung building. Some are stick. Tama yan siya. Hindi lahat ng building ay stick. Pero lahat ng stick ay building. Kaya some buildings are sticks. Some houses are tables. Some houses are tables. So yan yung some. So therefore, tama din yan. Conclusion number 2 and number 3 only. Asan si conclusion number 2 and number 3 only? Letter A. Now, kung na-gets nyo ito, try nyo ito number 4. Some boxes are chairs. No chairs is roads. All roads are tents. So, ang conclusion number 1, some tents are chairs, some roads are boxes, or no chairs is tents. Pwede nyo i-comment kung ano yung sagot nyo dito at abangan yung next na video. Thank you and God bless.